Okay, clearance visual right here. Look at that. Look at that awesome clearance visual. Okay, guys, let me go through a couple of them for you. So they're gonna have, this is a green dot 10. These pillows, $10. Green dot clearance. Okay. Then they have a couple of more of the old stuff that they had. That's green dot. This home sign is green dot. Got a lot of home stuff here. I bought these plates. I paid 10 cents for them. Then you got some towels. Oh, look at that. That's that orange color. They $5. And then here's a purple. Okay. Now you got popsicle counts. These. Oh, is that wet? I don't know. Yuck. Okay. Jolly Ranchers. Remember last time these were 10 cents. The Margaritavilles. The Warheads. The Sunkist. Okay, so the Sunkist smoothie bars right here. The Warheads, 10 cents. Again, guys, I paid 10 cents. Now, let's scan it because I want to make sure that it's not already 10 cents. But this is for the sale clearance coming up on 8/29, okay? So let's scan and make sure that we're not missing out on it. Okay? No, they're still $1.25. So that means in a week or 2 weeks, they'll be 10 cents. Airhead. I'm not in line. This one. Then you got these. And then you got the slushies. And then you got the Starkin. Then you got the Pure Kicks. Got these popsicles right here. You got the Skittle ones, okay? All under here. Oh, look. Don't forget these boxes. And these 80s and 48s. I want to go over some of the things back here. I'm gonna try to hit up a couple of stores before the sale clearance hit, okay? So we got the gelatin dessert. Guys, make sure you look on the aisles because a lot of this will still be on the aisle. The Eagle Bread, this milk, remember this was on clearance? Now it should be even lower this week. What's those? The little cigarette packs was on clearance. That might be 10 cents. That might be a penny today. Let me see. It was still regular clearance price. Let me see how much this Eagle is. Okay, let's see. The Eagle. Wow. It's a cricket in the store and it's so loud. Okay, 120. So half of 120. These oysters was on sale already. Those cookies was on sale. Let me see. Check for expiration date. Always, okay? Best used by what? November. So that's November. You need to do. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I'm spinning back here. Might not do me. $2.95. So half for $2.95. And I scanned this. This stuff should have been, I thought, pennied out, but it is not, which is okay. I don't want it to fall. Okay. That's back up to $1. Should be, I thought it would be 10 cents, but it's not. Okay. You have the Afrin right here, no drip for the kids. And your purpose of also scanning is for what? So that you can find a coupon with it, guys. Don't go doing these without coupon. You know, just scan. That's $1 for the Tylenol. So it should be 50 cents. And this eucalyptus pure essential oil, this is awesome. I was dropping them down up in my diffusers. Okay, $5. So just wait until they have off on that one. But they have Mucinex, nasal quart, Aleve. Let me see if Aleve have a coupon. No, but they are $1. Okay, let me see what the Mucinex is. Okay, remember guys, I got one hand on this, $13, no coupon as of yet. Hopefully they'll give us one before then, but just go through all of your things and check for sales. Now a lot of this will be, should have clearanced out on a lot, but I don't do penny items. So if I run across a penny item, I'll let you guys know. All right, more clearance. Look at this. Tons of clearance. We got these right here. They are $8. Blue circle. Let me scan it. Those are going on clearance, okay? I just want to scan to make sure they still $8. They $6. They was $8. So they're gonna be $3. So make sure you look at these. Okay, the pink checkers. That's the thing. They $8. You want to look at the pink smiley faces, was $8. These, $8. I want to make sure they coming up $6. See, those came up $8. These came up $6. Let me see what these pink ones are coming up. Hold on. Okay, they came up $6. $6. Those are coming up $8. Let's see what these pink ones with the smiley faces are coming up. Those are coming up $6. Let's see what the ones with the little blow up puppy dogs. They are $8. Blue tag. Let me scan it. $6 too. Okay, this one right here, I like these. They are $8. Let's see what they coming up. Let's see. $6 also. These right here, open toe, is strawberries. $8. They coming up. I need something. $6. The pink with the yellow, they blue tab. I'm in the nicest store, guys. These people are so nice in this store. Okay, and they are $6. The 4-pack interlocking foam mats, they originally $18. I think that's orange or red. I'm colorblind, so I don't know which one it is. Oh, I want that. And they're $18. They'll be on clearance. The rugs right here are on sale for $6. Orange tag. This is how it look like here. It's a home decor. Look like that. It's a big one. Kind of spread it out. That's a nice one. Okay, these cinnamon rolls, the little tiny ones, they don't expire till the 25th. I scanned it. They was $3.45. And we have $1 cash back off of 2. I don't know when that expire. Okay, there is the Eagle milk I told you about. The Rice Krispie treats. And this, the rainbow cups. Let's see. Those right there. You got these hats right here with the happy faces on it. And a graphic tee at 5. It's a black circle. And then you have these right here. Green circle, $5. Okay, and this is just leftover, like the pork gravy. Let me see how much those are, because then that'll tell us what the leftover was on here. What they got them down to. They put them back up to $1.10. The Buffalo Ranch dressing. So $1.50. Then these right here. $2.10. $1.05. Then these Kent puddings and these right here. Okay.